Hoi!
Fortunate questions.
Hey everybody, the Chopstick guys here, and it is that time for Fortunate Questions. The time that we
exciting.
bake a question into a fortune cookie that was sent in by you, the viewer. I always love Fortunate Questions.
You do.
So,
Are you ready for
yeah,
one?
grab me a question. Grab me a question.
Grab one out of the stack here. Ooh, this is going to be a good one, I can
And
tell.
this week's cookies are fresh baked.
They are.
Fresh baked. So what do we got here? We got
Ooh, who is it from? I can't wait.
local.
Really?
Donna from Roseville.
Nice.
All right.
Donna, thank
Sacramento
you so
region.
much.
All right, Donna. It says, oh, and it's a simple one. Well, simple to read.
Okay. Good. I like simple
Why do
questions.
all my indoor photos come out blurry?
Yeah.
Donna, why do they?
Yeah.
Homework. Why did Donna's photos
It
come out
really
blurry?
boils down to one thing. You're not shooting manual.
Yes.
Right? You're shooting aperture priority or
Most
you're
likely.
shooting shutter priority. And the camera's trying to compensate and is saying, it's really dark in here. You're at, what, F4? I need to be at a fifth of a second.
Yeah, exactly. I mean, you've probably taken those pictures where you've seen that actually happen. If you're in a completely auto mode or even aperture
Yeah.
priority, right? You click it, it's like click, click.
And you know it's blurry. The second you just hear the sound, click, click. Yep. It's great.
So that's probably what's happening. Or maybe it's a light issue, right?
Yeah. Yep. Or an ISO. Sometimes you can just help yourself by bumping that ISO. I cannot believe how many people are still afraid of high ISO. Mm-hmm. If you're taking photos that are coming out blurry, it's really like, how important is that picture?
Yep.
If you've been happy with blurry photos, by increasing your ISO, man, you're just going to improve your photography tenfold.
Mm-hmm.
So
Now, I have a friend that has kind of a case of the shakes. I mean, he's and it's not, he doesn't have a disease or anything, but he's just got shaky hands.
Yep.
So he has trouble shooting indoors, even if his camera is set right. So you know what he does? Guess what he does?
uses a tripod.
Uses a tripod, right? So, and it's great because then his pictures come out fine, right? You can shoot at a really slow shutter speed. It's fine, unless there's people movement, that type of thing. But that's the other solution, is use a tripod, which is something that the Chopstick guys never do.
That's right.
We're not big tripod guys.
But and our biggest solution always is using light. You were getting
Yeah.
ready to say that earlier when I cut you off. Is learning to use light, because the absence of light is the reason your pictures are coming out blurry.
So Donna, make sure anytime we're having a sushi night here in Roseville, you come out and see us, and we'll give you more tips and tricks.
That's right.
Come to one of our workshops too that we have going on all
Hey,
the time.
what a great question, Donna.
Donna, thank you.
And like always, if you have a question, go ahead and submit it to us, and we'll bake it into one of our cookies and answer it online. We also ask that you like and subscribe to our channel.
That's right.
And like always, we tell you,
Say sushi. See you next time, everybody.